morning dear student, welcome to online class. In this video, I am going to start new chapter number 11, length, mass and capacity. Here are three types of measurement. First length measurement, second mass measurement and third capacity measurement. So first we are going to study length measurement. In our daily life, we measure length. How? When we go anywhere, we measure distance. How many kilometers is that distant place? How long, where we have to go? So what is distance of our school from our home? What is distance between two cities? So these are length measurement. We measure short thing. What is length of our pencil? What is length of our scale? What is the length of our benches? So these are length measurement. The basic unit of length measurement is meter. Some units are greater than meter and some are smaller than meter. So here basic unit of length in meter. Okay, conversion of unit of length, units of length. Here are some units of length. Your basic unit is meter. Some units are smaller than meter. They are dm, cm and mm. dm is decimeter, centimeter, cm is centimeter, mm is millimeter. These units are less than meter and some are greater than meter. They are DAM, HM and KM. DAM decameter, HM hectometer, KM kilometer. These units are smaller than meter. They are smaller unit. Smaller. And these units are greater than meter. Greater unit. To convert meter or cm or mm, means all the unit in smaller or greater, how to convert? You have to understand this. After understanding it, you can convert any unit smaller to greater or greater to smaller. And one important thing you need to remember, if you are going to convert a greater unit into smaller unit, you have to multiply. So your rule to convert greater unit into smaller, we multiply. To convert greater to smaller, we multiply. Next, to convert smaller unit into greater unit, we divide. Understood? So these two things you need to remember. Here, how to convert? What is relation of meter to other unit? So these are smaller. If you convert the meter into dm, you have to multiply by 10. And after dm into cm, you have to multiply into by 10. and cm into mm, you have to multiply it by 10. Like this here, meter into dm into meter. This is for left hand. You have to multiply it by 10. Here 10, 10, 10. Everywhere 10 is km is 10 times greater than hm, hm 10 times greater than dam, and dam greater 10 times greater than meter. Like this, all the units are greater. Left hand units are greater and right hand units are smaller. If you want to convert km into meter, so you have to count skip. Here 1, 2, 3 skip. Means you have to multiply 10 3 times, and 10 3 times means 10 into 10 into 10. How much it is? 1000. So you can say 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. And if you want to convert meter into mm, count here skips. 1, 2, 3. Means 3 times 10. 10, 10, 100, 10, 1000. Means 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. So I hope you understood it. Here, if you want to go left to right, so what to do? This unit, if you want to go that side, you have to divide it by 10. To convert cm into dm, divide it by 10. dm into meter, divide it by 10. Meter into dm, divide by 10. dam into hm, divided by 10. hm into km, divided by 10. Now, if you want to convert millimeter into meter, by which number you have to divide it? Here, how many skips? 1, 2, 3. Means 3 times 10, 10, 10. So 1 mm equal to how many meter? 1 upon 10 into 10 into 10. Means 1 by 1000. You have to divide millimeter by 1000, you will get meter. So, to convert a smaller quantity into greater, you have to divide it. And to convert greater quantity into smaller, you have to multiply it. Okay? Students, see here. Exercise 11a. Fill in the blanks. Two fill in the blanks are given. The length of my eraser about 2. 2 what? 2 kilometer? No. 2 meter? No. Because these are greater unit. When you want to write length of eraser, so you have to use a smaller unit. To eraser about, when you will measure it with scale, you will find it is approximately 2 cm. The height of table is approximately how much? 1 meter maybe. Now question number 2. Solve the following. 4 kilometer equal to dash meter. It means what? You have to convert kilometer into meter. So you should know formula for conversion of unit. So I told you, here some unit km, hm, dm, dam, m, dm, cm, mm. This single formula you keep it in your mind. After that you can make some more formula. You want to convert km into meter. Here km, here meter. How many skips are there? 1, 2, 3. It means 3 times you have to multiply by 10. 10 into 10 into 10, 3 times it means 1000. So 1 km equal to how much? 1 km equal to 1000 meter. Therefore 4 km equal to 4 into 1000. How much? 4000 meter. Okay? No need to learn. Just understand it. How to convert unit. Here 1 by 2 of 6 meter equal to cm. They are asking answer in cm. So you have to convert meter into cm. Now, should know formula. Here meter, here cm, here is meter, and here is cm. this side smaller quantities are there. So you have to multiply it. To convert it into smaller quantity, I told multiply it. So 1 meter equal to how many cm? How many strips are here? 1, 2. So 10 into 10, 100 means 1 meter equal to 100 cm. Therefore 1 by 2 of means multiply 6 and into 100. Now at the place of meter write cm equal to what? You can cancel 2 3 are 6 and 3 1 are 300 cm. This is easy, no? You can convert. See one more part. 3 by 4 of 16 dm. dm equal to mm. Here two quantity dm and dam. dm is smaller unit and dam greater unit. This is decameter and that is decimeter. So they want dm into mm. Here see dm and here mm. How many strips are there? 2 strips means 10 into 10, 100. 1 dm equal to 100 mm. So 1 dm equal to 100 mm. Therefore 3 by 4 into 16 into 100 and in place of dm write mm. Here also mm. Therefore 4 4s are 16 and 4 3s are 12, then 2 0. You are going to multiply it by 100, so 2 0 will come. Then how much? 4 3s are 12 into 100, 1200 mm. Here 1200 mm. So I hope all of you understood it. Try to solve exercise 11. Thank you.